Alright, so we're in an undisclosed area that I'm definitely not going to talk about.
So I cave.
Oh. You're fine. And we're out looking for mushrooms. I have Kelly with me. We found a few so far. I think Kelly's actually found more than me. But the ones that I'm finding are a little more fresher. I don't know, we've got like a dozen. But we're going to keep looking. We've been getting a bunch of rain, and truthfully, I think they're about to pop even more. But I'm leaving town tomorrow, and I don't know that I'll have time to come out here and look, so I thought I would come out and give it a shot real quick. And so far it's working. Found a few dries, which is kind of sad because I was here a couple weeks ago. And we must have walked right by them. Wonder, well, we'll go back towards where I was finding them. Right in there is where I was finding my first couple, so look really hard. But keep you updated if we find any more. So we got a couple at least, which is good. All right, probably can't see it too well because it's still got grass under it, but here's one. He's a pretty good sized one. Still bent over, but he looks a little dried, so I think he might have got stuck. Well, there's another one. She says she found one. I'm waiting to see it.
I found one. Oh, it's bent over sideways.
That's okay. He just hasn't fully extended. I think they've popped either last night or throughout the day. Because we've found a bunch that are kind of not fully up.
Well, we'll add it to the bag.
Yes, we will. Alright, there's two more good ones right here. Break them off at the stem. Bless you. Look at these. Kelly.
Coronavirus.
Kelly.
What? Holy. Wow.
Those are good ones. Well, it appears we're not the only one that knows about this spot, but that's public land for you. What's fair is fair. Well, I saw this guy up under this cedar really, really far away. I saw him from like 15, 20 yards. Granted, he's just sitting out in the open on the dirt, so he wasn't that hard to see, but found another one. Here we go. Pick. Ah, shoot. The stem came with it. Well, that's okay. Not a bad one. A little small, but we'll take him. He'll eat. Well, look down there. Found one. Lifted up the grass, and there was one under the grass. Shoot. Does it look dry?
The base of it is long.
Oh, no, that's a good one. Thanks, you are too. Oh, that's a beautiful sight right there. Way up in there. Alright, go get it.
Hold my phone.
And I would go probably right up in here.
Look at that vine. I don't want to touch that. That is.
Oh, okay, I didn't see that
There's
then.
a lot. Look at this.
Okay, then come over here. Or I can go get it.
So,
If you want to go up in there and get it, go up in there and get it.
just hold on.
Alright. Rude.
Is kind of tricky.
Oh, wait, don't move. See that one right there? Yeah.
I saw it when you
Yeah. That's what's up.
Look how big it is.
That is a good one.
I got the root too.
Don't worry about it. Wow, that is a...
That's
a mushroom.
Alright, use your eyeballs. Do you see any more?
I don't see any more, but... Another one. I didn't see any more, but you might have a better view than me now. She didn't want to get. I told her to bring different shoes because it's wet.
These are the new Yeezys.
But she decided trash bags was better.
Some people say they're garbage, but you know, it's because they can't afford them.
Oh gosh. Well, when I get back to the truck, I'll give a count. But I think we're gonna land somewhere around 25, which is pretty good. I'm supposed to be leaving town to go turkey hunting this weekend tomorrow, but I think just maybe I'm gonna try and quickly hop out here and see if we can't find any more, because we got a bunch of rain in the last 24 hours, and some of these are really, really, really fresh. Like, hadn't even completely unfolded, so I think more will pop overnight. So, and I will bring a hat next time too. So, what do you think? How was your first mushrooms? Was it fun? Yeah? You had a good time? Mm-hmm. Nature's hide and go seek. Or I spy too, if you really want to. But, get back to the truck and we'll do a quick little count here. How many do you think we got?
I bet, I think you're right, 20.
20, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The stem, half, 9.5. 10.5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and a bunch of halves from broken pieces. Yeah, we're about 20, 21. Pretty good little find. That went well. Did you have fun?
Mm-hmm.
Good.